Hi everyone, so in this video we'll take a look at how you can connect to locally running large language models using your phone, using your mobile Android app, and this is the application. So if I just say hi, then it's thinking and it's going to respond me.
How can I assist you today?
As you can see, it also talks to me back. So I can stop it preemptively. So it has given me a response here, and I can actually talk to it anything. And to show that it's actually running on my local machine and I'm not connected to OpenAI's servers, so I'm just gonna ask it, how do you make coffee? So it's thinking, but I want to show you that it's actually running in my locally running LM Studio instance. So you can see here, I'm actually running in the Mixtral model, and it's thinking of the response. And once the response is complete, it's going to return it back to the application. And then,
As a text-based
yeah,
AI model, I don't have the ability to
see,
physically make coffee. However, I can certainly
I'm
guide
going to
you
stop
through
it
the
here.
process.
So as you can see, the response is here, and it works absolutely fine, and it's connected to my locally running instance, which is cool. So now, how would you do that in your use case? So to get this application is the first step. So I'm trying to get this application on the Play Store, but right now it's not there yet because it's still in the closed testing stage. But I can show you how you can do that. So you can go to this link here. I'm gonna place it in the description as well. So once you go into this link, then you'll see the releases button here, and if you click on this, then it'll show you an option to download this APK directly. That's how you can get it downloaded on your phone and get it running right away. So next, what you want to do is, so if you already know how to run LM Studio or something like that, that is compatible with OpenAI APIs, then you need to run that using. You can watch my previous video to see how you can run LM Studio locally on your computer, just like this. In order to figure out what your IP address is, you need to type ipconfig in your Windows command prompt, and it'll give you some IP addresses. So you need to figure out which ones you want to use, and then just keep track of that. And once you know what that IP address is, you go to settings here in this application and enter this IP address right here. That's how you can connect to it. The port for LM Studio is 1234 by default, but if it's something else, you need to change it right here. So I'm going to show you how you can use this application to not only talk to this LM Studio or a locally running LLM, but you can also talk to the OpenAI servers, the OpenAI ChatGPT APIs. So for that, you'll need to change this protocol to HTTPS, and then go to host. And here you need to type api.openai.com, and the port will be by default 443. You don't need to enter this, and you'll need to enter this API key. So I'm going to just show you my API key right here, and I'm going to delete this API key after this video. So I have clicked on save settings here, so they should be here now. I'm just going to clear it, and I'm going to ask it, who are you? So let's see what it responds.
I am an AI digital
That's
assistant
cool.
designed
But
to
I
help
want to
answer
know,
questions and provide information.
are you created? Who
How
created
can I
you? That's
assist
what
you
I want to
today?
know. Created you.
I was
See, so this
created by
was created
intelligent
by
developers and
OpenAI.
engineers
Are
at
you
OpenAI.
GPT?
Is there anything else you would like to know?
So
Yes,
this is actually
I am
using the
ready to import,
GPT-3
transform and
version.
create.
This is the one which is
How can I
being used
assist
by
you
my
today?
app. But I'm going to also add an option soon here, so you can actually specify the exact model you want to use. So if you want to use GPT-4 or GPT-3, it's up to you. All right, so next what I want to talk about is the fact that you can talk to it using not just the text, and you can also talk to it using voice. So if you just click on this, it's going to record your stuff, and tap this again. So it's going to generate a text based on what you said. So it's going to do speech to text. And next, I want to talk about how the settings, you can actually save these settings, export them to a file, share them across to your friends. So that's easy. If you have a particular, if you have hosted a particular server somewhere and you want to share those settings, so you can actually do that. So what I'm going to do is, let's say this is the server here, right? I'm going to save these settings. I'm going to click on export. So it has saved these settings into a file called settings.json. So that's good. So if I just type something weird here, and I'm going to do import settings now. So I can see the settings.json is here. I'm just going to click on it, and you can see the settings for restore. So that's pretty cool. You can actually save multiple settings, the JSONs, and you can switch between them, and you can talk to whatever backend you want to talk to. So that's amazing. So in the future there will be much more options than what you're seeing here. You will also be able to talk to others like WhatsApp. So there'll be lots of AI agents, hopefully, and you'll have some AI agents which are good at cooking, some which are good in medical expertise, and so on. So it will be also able to control. It'll be possible to control your gadgets, home gadgets, using voice through this app, just like how Alexa does, but in a much better fashion because it uses the large language models technology. And I'm also going to add the retrieval augmented generation, or RAG for short. So that's going to give you the ability to ask it questions on your custom data. So you can actually provide your data through a folder. So you can give it whatever you want, all the knowledge that it needs, and it's going to use that knowledge to give you the specific tailored answers for your use case. And those answers are going to be much better based on the knowledge you have provided. And it will also have the capabilities to access to certain functions. It will be able to call functions on your behalf, any arbitrary functions, and you can just call those functions through voice. So let's say there is a API which gives you how much profit you have made over the day, and it's going to give you that exact profit by calling that function on your behalf. So that's going to be pretty cool. So just keep updated and keep checking on this. And last, I'm going to show you how you can generate your own OpenAI key so that you can use that key in your application. So all you need to do is to go to this link right here, platform.openai.com/API keys, and click on this, create a new secret key. It'll generate a key for you, and then you can use that key right here. So how can you actually join and get the access on Play Store? So I'm going to show you how you can get the access for this application on Play Store. You can provide me your mail address. All right, so you can contact me here in any of these endpoints. You can call me. You can mail me on this address or contact me on Discord. There's a Discord server invite as well, and this is my Twitter. So I'm also gonna paste these in the description of this video, so you can contact me there and you can ask for an invite for the test version of this on Play Store. But you can always download it directly using this link here. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.